How to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using only 7 steps method. Step 1. Complete the base. Step 2. Complete the first layer. Step 3. Complete the second layer. If the top color is same as the color in right side, follow the first pattern. But if the color is same as the color in left side, follow the second pattern. Step 4. Complete the third layer cross. Make sure your cube is orientated as shown in the image. Repeat this algorithm till you get the yellow cross. Step 5. Solving third layer edge pieces. Repeat this pattern until you completely solve the third layer edge pieces. Step 6. Aligning the third layer corner pieces. Repeat the pattern until you completely aligned all the third layer corner pieces. Step 7. Aligning the corners and finishing the cube. This last algorithm helps you to correctly place the aligned blocks in their correct position, one piece at a time. The side that looks like the red side in the example should be your face. Repeat the algorithm until you complete align the corners and finish the cube. That's it. If you find this 7 steps in solving Rubik's Cube method helpful, click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.